Take a look at the latest offerings from the Lewis Backhoe Retirement Auction to discover where they found their new owners and the impressive prices they achieved. When you join forces with Purple Wave Auction, your pool of buyers expands beyond the local scene. Through our exceptional no-reserve internet auctions, you attract buyers from far and wide. Straight, simple, sold. Purple Wave is the easiest way to buy and sell used equipment. Check out our website and see what listings are available now.